Welcome back viewers to the whole new section of this course. Now when we have covered all the basic features of this social network or this discussion form, now let's work on the messages, the messaging system. But actually before sending the messages to someone or receiving the messages, we must have the user profile first, because when we are visiting a profile of a member or of a user, so we can then send them message. So first of all we need to create that environment, so after that we can work on this messaging system. So first of all I want to tell you that when we were actually displaying this post on the timeline, so we also added the name of the user here, that who has posted this post. Basically we have added the picture and the name, and if you can see, the name is basically a link of this user. So that link, if you observe here in this area, in the corner, you will see that social network user underscore profile.php. That means we will have to create a page user underscore profile.php, because we have given the link of that page. And after that there is a question mark, or you can say your get variable, URL variable, user underscore ID, which is equal to 12. That's mean the exact ID of this user. And if the next is user ID 2, and this Tina one is user ID 16. So all the IDs are coming with these links. So if someone clicks this link or any link of the user, so they will be redirected to user underscore profile.php, and this link will take a specific value, ID of this user, so we can then display the data of this user. And same we have done, if I show you the function for this, the get post function, where we are getting the post using this function from the database and then displaying there on the home page. So if there I show you here, the user image right here, this is the user image. First of all we have displayed that. After that the link that I was talking about, href user underscore profile.php, and then a user underscore ID URL get variable, and then we have assigned the user ID, which we are getting basically above here from the users table using the session, and that we have basically not using the session but using the user ID. So we have got that user ID and we have assigned that to the link, and the username is the text of this link, and after that we have the content of the post. So basically we are just taking the ID of the user, so we can then show the specific user on the user underscore profile.php page. Now we have done that here as well on this on the home page for the user, so someone easily can click this user and can go to that page. Now we have done the same on the members page. When you click the members, you see here the users Abdul Wali and John Doe and other people, like there are many users. You will see all of their small avatars, and when you mouse over there you will see the name of the user, and when you click the user, so you will be taken again to the same page, user profile, which is user underscore profile.php. You can observe here in this area when I mouse over there, user profile, and here the UID is, this is u underscore id is equal to 1, UID 2, UID 3, 12, and every user has a UID and a link is there as well on this picture. So if we click this, we will automatically go to that page. But here we have given UID, and on the home page here we have given user ID. So we need to change this because we want all the same, so it will be good for us. So we'll say, we'll remove this and we'll say u underscore ID. Control S to save and refresh the page. Now if I move here, so I can see only UID. So this is now good idea. So what we have to do actually is to create a page which will be user underscore ID, sorry, user underscore profile.php. So we'll do something like first of all we have done this all work for the edit post and for delete post and for my post and things like that. So we need to just close this because we don't need anything else to do there. but we can do something. We can make a copy of this page, my underscore post. So let's just create the page first, file, and then save as, and in the same place we'll say user underscore profile dot php. Save, and now we'll remove this, all of your post and everything, and we'll say here that user, the function will change to user profile, and we have to create this basically, and we'll just change this text to info about this user. Okay, it's fine, nice. So I have said that user underscore profile function, we have changed that, and we have to create this basically in the next lecture, and we have just changed the text to info about this user. So very simple and nice, as we are doing this again and again, and I know you are familiar now with this. So how to do this? So we'll have to come here to the functions.php, and we'll create a function for this user underscore profile. So what we will do, just we'll take some information from the table, the users table, and we'll display in this function, and this function will be on this page, user underscore profile.php. Simple setup, and we'll add a little bit styling to that as well, and after that we'll add a messaging button to that as well. So let's come back in the next lecture and straight create the function for displaying the user information. So stay tuned.